Hi, my name is Ralph Nguyen. I am a Principal Product Manager here at Veritas. I work on NetBackup Cloud strategy, and my job and goal is to make the cloud journey that you're going to take as easy and simple as possible. To the enterprise, the cloud is a way for them to change their way of buying technology. The cloud is a way for them to take the hardware costs that they used to do for their data center, meaning buying servers and storage, and now utilize that in more of a utilization model. The traditional method of backing up data is that you'll have a backup server, and the backup server has technology that allows it to back up clients. Those clients are the data that a customer needs to protect. That data is then backed up to a medium such as disk or tape, and that's kind of the legacy approach. Customers look at cloud because cloud is basically infinite. It's storage out there that's available at you're talking about pennies on the dollar to store a gig of data versus what it would cost for a customer to store that data on tape. And then also store it, because customers don't have the infrastructure to store hundreds of thousands of tapes that may need to be kept for 5, 10, 15 years, depending on the requirements that they have for their industry. We have storage as a service, infrastructure as a service, IT as a service, and recovery as a service. So with our NetBackup 8 launch, we're giving you features and capabilities that really touch on all 4 of those major pillars. NetBackup now has capabilities to allow you to choose the vendor type that you want and extend your backup from being on-prem into these cloud locations. With version 8, we're releasing our NetBackup self-service, which gives you that IT as a service as an application. Also with the release of NetBackup 8, we have the NetBackup AMI, which is an Amazon machine image. It's an Amazon machine image that is the format that Amazon has created that allows you to deploy virtual machines in their format. Single click with the very few entries that you have to put into the Amazon image to set this up. So you're actually up and running with NetBackup, ready to back up your workloads within a matter of minutes versus maybe hours if you had to do this manually. Not only are you seeing a single platform that not only protects your data, but it optimizes the data as it's being stored and transversed into the cloud. You can stick with Veritas NetBackup and achieve all of your goals without having to invest into additional products that you would have to if you were going, let's say, with another competitor in the same market. One of the many responses that I've heard in my travels throughout talking to our NetBackup customers is that the true benefit that version 8 gives them is that it gives them the ability to extend their data center into the cloud without really having to add additional workforce, add any additional training, or even hire new staff, because they're not going to change anything that they're doing around their data protection activities. They're just going to start unlocking the feature set that NetBackup version 8 gives them to make the data center in the cloud be just an extension of their on-prem data center that they have today. And if you want to be competitive in this market, especially with looking at the cloud to cut costs, give you a new feature set, by adopting version 8 of NetBackup, you're going to be able to achieve all those, but you're also going to have a solution in place that's going to cover you for years to come.